Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do jumbo braids on short 4C hair. I started off on freshly washed and blow dried hair. I made sure it was manageable and easy to grip. I then proceeded to section the hair into giant blocks and I moisturized my hair, as you can see here. Then I sealed it with Jamaican black castor oil, the mango and lime, which happens to be my favorite at the moment. Making sure I get it real good and that I have no issues. This process didn't take too long, and my sectioning in the back is completely terrible because I cannot see. However, I proceeded to take the crochet hook and I stuck it under the braids, attaching the braiding hair to it, and I slid it under the rubber band. Once I got it to where I needed it to be, I used one of my favorite edges control. I think it's 24-hour tamer. It's my favorite at the moment, although it does leave a white film at times. So I'm gonna cover my hair and try to slick it down with that edge control as I grab the other piece of braiding hair and I braid it right onto there. Now I repeat the same step for each of the braids that I do until the whole head is done, and I will see you guys when I have finished. So I ended up loving how this came out. I did my braids a bit bigger to look more like jumbo braids. The process didn't take too long. I kind of split it up into last night and this morning. However, I love the way this looked, and I've even received compliments on my half-finished head when I went to the store to pick up more braiding hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful, and I will see you next time.